Alright guys, I got my friend's Predator together. I did the rings, the valve guides and seals. Basically, I didn't do the valves, I didn't do the top end. Like, I didn't do the head anyways, but it's basically a fresh top end. So I did all that for him, and did a timing chain, and just gotta put the plastic on, gotta get a couple bolts for that. And it's an '07 Predator 500. It's got an HMF pipe on it. It's the performance pipe. It's sounds pretty nice. But yeah, I'll just start it up real quick. I just got it done today, so I haven't even... He's gonna be breaking it in, of course, but yeah, I haven't done anything to do that yet. Just let it warm up, but here you go. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.